Let's assume we are entering some data points like 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. And after looking at the data set, we realized that, oops, we did a mistake and missed to enter a couple of data points in this series. So we have got two options. One, we can delete the entire data set, what we have entered so far, and re-enter it again. But this option is not very viable if you have a huge data set to work upon, or when you want to add some data points to an existing data set, which is huge. So what we will do, we need a column between A and B to enter a new data point. So what we can do is to enter a column or add a column between column A and column B. So how we can do that? Select the row or column where you want to enter the additional field. So here we need to enter a column between A and B. So what we will do is we will select column B by pressing the left button of the mouse. Then we will press the right button of the mouse and a dialog box will open with couple of options. And this we will select the option insert, and here you go. You have an additional column between column A and column C, which is column B. So now you can enter the data point that is needed. Similarly, here between column D and E, we need one more column. So what we will do is we need to enter one column. So in order to enter the column, we have done it with mouse. Now we will do it with the help of keyboard. So in order to do that, what we will do is we will press shift plus, sorry, we will select it by pressing control plus space bar. And after that, we will press control and plus button. So here you got an additional column and you can enter the missing data point, which is 5. So this is how we can add columns.